how to set and remove passwords in MS Excel. First go to File, and you will find out Protect Workbook option. There are lots of options for sheet and file security. Read one by one. Select Encrypt with password. Set the password of your own choice. If it is open, you can make changes of any type. When this sheet has been closed, and you want to reopen, it would not allow you to open without password. When file has been saved, and now you want to open it, it will ask you for password. Enter the password, then it will be open. Without password, you cannot open it. Now if you want to remove password from this sheet, follow these steps. Just follow the same process. Go to File, select Encrypt File, and remove the password, and save the file. When file is unlocked, anyone can open and can make changes as he likes. Already we have learned that how to lock the file. Now if we want to lock the sheet of a file, only 1 or 2 pages of the file also can set the password on these sheets. Just press Alt, R and PS, you will get a screen. After setting password, this sheet has locked. You cannot make any type of changes in this sheet. If you want to make any changes, it will show warning message like this. Now if you want to open this, or want to make any changes in this sheet, first press Alt, R, PS, you'll get password screen, enter the password. Now this sheet is open, you can make any type of changes in the sheet. So these are the two ways through which we can protect our worksheet and Excel file. Can set password and can remove insane when can't protect Excel sheet and can remove password.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.